YouTube. So on today's video, we are going to be talking about whether you should bulk or whether you should cut. And let me give you the very straightforward answer, because let's get straight to the point. You need to bulk. You need to. You have not earned the opportunity to cut yet. If you even have to ask yourself this question, then you probably need to bulk. Let's be honest. Because most men, they stay in this weird, useless stage of going back and forth between bulking and cutting, because they want to gain muscle, but as soon as their abs start to disappear, they want to start cutting down again. So we just go on this never-ending hamster wheel of, oh, bulk for a couple months, and then cut, then bulk, then cut. And it never goes anywhere because they just stay in the same weight range year after year after year after year, because they're not staying consistent in their bulking phases. They're not staying consistent in putting in the time to bulk. You have to give yourself time to build a strong foundation, because your body just can't build muscle from nothing. Like, we aren't these magical unicorn creatures. Like, we don't have magic powers. You have to feed yourself the food to build the freaking muscle. You have to. And if you're not eating the right foods, then yeah, sure, your abs might pop up, but you're still gonna be this withered, frail, weak-looking man. If you want to look like a beast, you have to feed yourself enough food for your body to turn you into a beast. So, I highly encourage you that if there's even a question in your mind as to whether you should bulk or whether you should cut, then you probably need to bulk. If you haven't been working out for a couple of years and you haven't built that strong foundation of muscle, then you probably don't have enough muscle yet to even have the need to cut. You have to build the foundation first, because if you cut before you've built the foundation of muscle, then you're just going to be cutting your gains, and you're still gonna look shitty after the cut. It doesn't make sense, you know what I mean? So, long story short, if you even have this question in your head, then you should probably be bulking. Okay. There is definitely a little bit more nuance to it than that, but I would say that in 80 to 90% of cases, if this question is in your head, then you should be bulking. Anyways, always remember that consistency creates kings, and if you are not consistent in the day-to-day actions of your life, then you are not going to see results. Point blank period. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe down below for more similar men's self-improvement content, specifically focusing on how to maximize your fitness, how to maximize your dating life, and how to build an amazing financial life of complete freedom for yourself. My name is Alan Woods, and I'm 23 years old, and I have built an amazing body. I have financial freedom for my own businesses, and I'm living life exactly how I want to live it, because I put in the work, and I want to help you to do the exact same thing. Anyways, see you on the next video. Peace out, y'all.